Hi everyone, my name is Liana and I just want to tell you more about the Forex for Beginners Academy by Saad Ali. I came across the scores about 4 weeks ago and it's just amazing. I've done Forex before and I've lost a lot of money too. I bought signals, bots, you name it. Trust me, it doesn't work. You are not in control. So when I came across the scores, I was a bit skeptical because it's for free. But I started the first module and I just continued. Saad Ali teaches you everything about moving averages, support and resistance, Fibonacci candlesticks. He teaches you how to read and analyze price charts on TradingView. He's got this Facebook group where you can post your charts and then he will give you feedback on it. That's a great way of learning, and it's been an amazing experience for me. And if you are interested in Forex trading, I will definitely recommend this course by Saad Ali. Thank you for listening. Cheers.